Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to customize the size of Select to Speak floating shortcut button in Realme 14 Pro phone. First of all, we want to go to our phone settings. Next, we are looking for accessibility and convenience. Then accessibility. Next, we need to tap the Vision tab, and here we have our option. So first of all, the shortcut is enabled and it's floating right here. So we can tap the shortcut menu, and here we have the more options. Now, as you can see, we have a few options that we can change. We can change the location of the button from floating to navigation bar. And here is the size of our button. So we can make it smaller or we can make it larger using this menu. Of course, we can enable fade as well. That's pretty much it. Goodbye.